Namaskar everyone. I hope you all are healthy and safe at home. Let us start with chapter number 4, working of computer. As we all have learned in the last class also that what is computer? Computer is an electronic device. Class, it doesn't use its own mind. It needs our instruction to work. So we give instructions to the computer so that it can work. We tell computer to write down the name, it will write it down. We tell computer to write numbers, it do it. If we tell computer to insert a picture, it insert a picture. It tell computer to if we give computer some instructions, it will do. That means computer work according to the instructions that we give to the computer. It doesn't use its own mind. Is it okay to everyone? I hope it is okay to everyone. Now, let us learn how computer work. Computer work on IPO cycle. Now, what is this IPO cycle? I stands for input, P stands for process, O stands for output. In the last session, we have learned few examples of IPO cycle. Let us learn more live example of IPO cycle and then we will relate with the computer. Now, let us start with the live example of IPO cycle. So computer works on these three basic steps, that is input, process and output. Okay, so let us start with the live example. That is input would be our blunt pencil. What is blunt pencil? Blunt means unsharpened pencil. Okay, what would be the process? The sharpening of our pencil is the process, and what would be the result? Sharpened pencil. This example we have learned in the last session, in the previous session also. Let us take new examples so that IPO cycle should be clear to every child. Let us start. Before I start, I just want to know that do you all love mango shake? Do you all love Oreo shake? I hope you all love Oreo shake and mango shake. Then how we make Oreo shake and mango shake? For mango shake, what we will do? We will take the, what we will take? We will first take the mangoes and then we will take the milk, that is the input. What would be the process? The process would be when I put mango and milk in the jar and use the mixer, that is I am processing. And what would be the result? What would be the output? That yum mango shake is the output. If I want to make a Oreo shake, I hope you all love Oreo shake. What is the input? My Oreo biscuit, and the milk is the input. What is process? When we use mixie to make the Oreo shake. What is the result? The result is my yum Oreo shake ready. Is it okay? That means that is our output. That yum Oreo shake is the output. Let us take an example of making of a orange juice. Okay, so orange juice, how we have made the orange juice? For the input, give me a second, let me open that. For the input, I want oranges. For the process, I want my mixie. And for the output, what I want? What is the output? My yum tasty orange juice is ready. So this is IPO cycle for the orange juice. Let us make a pizza. Do you all love pizza? I hope you all love pizza. So what is the input? Input is my pizza base with the topping and vegetables. What is my process? What is the process, girls? My process would be that I put my pizza into the microwave. And what is the result? My yum pizza is made. Is it okay? So, I hope IPO cycle is clear. Let us take more examples. So, now next example is if I want to see my favorite cartoon. So, what would be my input? My input is my remote. What would be my process? My process would be clicking on that on button. And what would be the output? The output is your favorite cartoon. Yes or no? Have you understand input, process, output? Let us take one more example. If I want to make a call to my friend, okay, if I want to talk to my friend and if you all want to talk to your friend, what you will do? What would be your input? Your input would be the phone. Process is dialing the number of your friend. Output would be the result. Okay, that means the result is the talking, the chit chat you are doing with your friends, talking to your friends. That is the output. Isn't it very interesting? Yes or no? So is IPO cycle is clear to everyone? Let us take one more example. Can you see this picture? I hope you all can see this picture in which sharpening pencil is being discussed. Let us discuss it one more time. This is the blunt pencil. For the process, what we taken? We have taken a sharpener and a pencil so that processing can be done. And what is the output? The output is my sharp pencil. Now, taking another example, input would be my dirty clothes. Process would be my washing machine and output would be my clean clothes. Is it okay? Let us take one more example of making a tea. What would be my input? My input would be ginger, milk. What else we do take when we make a tea? We may use tea bags. We use water. Yes or no? Okay, what would be process? My using of my gas is my processing. And what would be the output? The output would be the tea that is being prepared. Is it okay to everyone? I hope it is okay. Let us take one more example, that is brushing my teeth. So what would be the input? Your brush? Yes or no? A process would be your teeth to be cleaned by your brush and output would be your cleaned teeth. Okay. Let us take one more example. Can you see this example? I hope you all can see. In which input is my clay, process is being playing with the clay, output would be toy, a beautiful toy that is being made with the help of clay. Is it okay? I hope it is being clear to everyone. Girls, do you remember that we have learned calculator? Let us see IPO cycle with the help of calculator. What is input? 3 plus 2. That is a number that we have entered into the calculator. Process is my equals to sign. Our output is the result that is being displayed by the computer. Okay, so IPO cycle of the computer. Now I will ask you one question. Okay, I have taken a lot of example. Now I want you to tell me the answer. Okay, so I have taken a ice tray and I have filled it with the water. For the processing, I put that ice tray in my refrigerator. What would be the output? Yes, think. What would be the output? The output would be my, what would be the output? Yes, the output would be my ice cubes. Yes or no? My ice cube would be the output. Let us take one more example. I just want to know what is the input and output. Yes, tell me, I have taken a washing machine. What is my input? Think, jaldi se. So my input would be dirty clothes. Process is my washing machine. And what is my output? My output would be clean, beautiful clothes. Yes or no? Let's see the answer. So input is my dirty clothes, process is my washing machine, and the output is my clean clothes. Can you all see that? Now let us learn input output process cycle with the help of computer. In this, there are input devices through which we can input the things. If I want to enter a name, that means I want to input something. To input something, I need an input device. So, keyboard and mouse through which we can receive the input. How can we process? Process can be done with the CPU. We all have learned that CPU is known as brain of the computer. As we all learn that, yes, how it is brain? Now it is time to learn that why we call CPU as the brain, because it processes all the information. And what is the output? what result it comes? The result would be shown through the monitor. That is a output device. Is it okay? Let us learn more. So input means to enter your data. Process means to work on it. And output means to show the result. Is it clear to everyone? So let us learn what is input, what is process, and what is output in the computer. So what is input? Input is the way of communication with the computer. We can enter data and instruction into the computer as input. Now, I have told you the definition, but let us take an example. For example, I want to write my name in the WordPad. How can I write my name in the WordPad? If I don't have the keyboard, can I able to write it down? No. If I don't have the keyboard, I can't able to write down my name. Yes or no? So that is input. With the help of keyboard or with the help of mouse, I can input any information in the computer. Is it understand? For example, take one more example. If I have given instruction that please open WordPad file. So what you will do? You will go to start button, all program, accessories and WordPad. So how you are opening? You are opening with the help of mouse. So that is, we are giving instructions. To whom we are giving instructions? We are giving instructions to the computer. Okay. So in this, what are the inputs? Input would be a keyboard. Input can be a mouse. Input can be a scanner. Input can be a microphone. Now what is scanner, बच्चा? So have you all learned scanner? Scanner के अंदर क्या होता है? That whatever paper we have written in a copy can be scanned and it can be shown in the computer. That means it is also an input device. Whatever paper we put in the scanner, it is being scanned and it is being shown in the monitor. So it is known as input device. Microphone, whatever voice we speak, what happened? Through microphones, it would be listened in the computer. Is it okay? Now, next is process. Processing can be done only with the help of CPU, but we have lot of example of input devices. We have keyboard, we have mouse, we have scanner, we have microphone. But when we talk about processing can be done just with the help of CPU. We always say that CPU is the brain of the computer. We always say that without CPU, computer can't work. It is the brain of the computer. All the things, all the data is being processed with the help of CPU. And last thing is the output. Output is the final result that we see with the help of monitor, with the help of printer, with the help of speaker. That means whatever I have written in the computer, it is being processed and then it is being shown to us with the help of monitor. Or if I want to take out the printout, so it can be shown with the help of printer, or we can listen our voice that is being used with that can be stored with the help of microphone. We can listen that voice with the help of speaker, or we can listen songs with the help of speaker. So what are output device? Monitor, printer, speaker, these all are the output device. Girls, we will be revising IPO cycle in the computer once again in the next class, in the next session. Okay, I hope live examples are being cleared to you guys. But IPO cycle in the computer, we will be learning in the next class also. Okay, bye-bye all of you. Take care.